Once upon a time, in a quiet valley, surrounded by tall mountains, lived a 4-year-old young man named Adrian. Adrian's mind was never still. Thoughts rushed in and out like a storm. He worried about the future, regretted the past, and in the middle of it all, he forgot how to smile. Nights felt heavy, sleep wouldn't come, and peace was nowhere to be found. One day, Adrian heard of a distant village in the hills. People whispered about a wise elder named Samuel, once a great psychologist in the city, who had left everything behind to live close to nature. Visitors said he still guided those who sought peace. Adrian, desperate for answers, set out on the long journey. After days of walking, he finally reached a small house, wrapped in greenery. On the porch, Elder Samuel sat quietly, eyes closed, his presence calm as the wind. Adrian stepped forward and said softly, "Elder, my mind is restless. I cannot find peace. Please, help me." The old man opened his eyes and smiled. "So, you seek peace? Then take this task." He filled a glass of water to the brim and handed it to Adrian. "Walk to the edge of the village and return. But remember, do not spill a single drop." Adrian was surprised, but he obeyed. Holding the glass carefully, he walked slowly through the busy streets. Children laughed, dogs barked, merchants called out. But Adrian saw nothing, heard nothing. His eyes never left the water. Step by step, he made it back. "Elder, I did it," he said with relief. Samuel nodded. "Good. But tell me, did you see the children? Hear the dogs?" Adrian shook his head. I was focused only on the glass." The elder smiled again. "That, my son, is the secret. When your mind lives in the present moment, there is no room for fear of the future or sorrow from the past. For those moments, you were free. That is peace. It was always within you." Adrian bowed his head, finally understanding. Peace isn't found outside. It lives inside, in the stillness of now. As the sun set and birds returned to their nests, Adrian walked home, but he was no longer the restless young man who had arrived. He carried silence within him. He had found peace. If this story touched you, don't just keep it, share and subscribe for more inspiring lessons. Until next time, stay present, stay peaceful.